Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your Apple ID and password, the device serial or IMEI, and proof of purchase. Once done, make sure the iPhone is charged above half and on a reliable Wi-Fi network so any remote actions complete. If Find My is enabled, note that signing into iCloud or using iCloud. To manage the device is safer and official. Do not attempt unofficial jailbreaks. Instead, proceed with authorized recovery options to protect your data and warranty. Next, use official remote options. Sign into iCloud, or an Apple device with your Apple ID and open Find My. From there, you can erase the iPhone or, if you own the device, remove it from your account, which may clear activation prompts. This is the supported route. If you cannot access the Apple ID, gather proof of ownership now. These steps avoid risky third-party tools and maintain security. If remote measures fail, the proper next step is contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store. Finally, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar appointment. Bring the iPhone, a photo ID, and the original purchase proof so staff can verify ownership and perform an authorized restore or service. Once verified, Apple can remove activation locks or complete a restore without risky workarounds. If problems persist, request escalation or a service estimate. Troubleshooting tip: if staff cannot verify ownership, keep records and digital receipts handy. Without proof, Apple cannot legally bypass activation for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.